Yeah, it's me, Fifi. So let's go into Dollar General and do some newbie deals. Alright, you guys. So first things we're going to pick up is the Dove Embrace Body Wash. This is priced at $6.15. There is 2 digital coupons that are working on this. It's going to make it $2.15. Keep watching. Alright, you guys. So next up, we are going to get the Vapor Cool Severe the cough drops. These are priced at $2. There is a $1.50 off 1 digital coupon that's going to make these 50 cents. Keep watching. Alright, you guys, so next up you want to go to your trial and travel section. You are going to pick up the $1 Scope mouthwash, and I have it right here. It was just one more left. You're going to pick this up, clip the $1 off 1 digital coupon. It's going to make this absolutely free. This is priced at $1. There is a $1 off 1 digital coupon, making this absolutely free. Keep watching. Alright, you guys, so next up we are going to pick up this Mr. Clean Magic Eraser. Yes, it is in the dollar aisle. There is a 50 cent off 1 digital coupon that's going to make this 50 cents. Keep watching. Alright, you guys, so this is everything that we're picking up today. I wanted to do this haul for the beginner couponers. This is an all digital deal. All you have to do is have your Dollar General app on your phone and clip the coupons that I'm going to show you. Now, again, we have the Dove Body Wash, the Vapor Cool Severe VICKS Cough Drops, the Scope Mouthwash, and the Mr. Clean Magic Eraser. So, for all of these items, I am going to pay, well, you'll just have to keep watching. Hey y'all, it's me, Fifi. I've made it back home. So this is the little deal that I did. I just did this for the beginner couponers who may be afraid to try to coupon. But in the video, I made it so easy for you. I showed you the coupons. All you have to do is download the Dollar General app to your phone. Make sure that you clip the coupons to your account. Once you get to the register, put your phone number in. All of your coupons will download that you have clipped. So, I got the Scope, the Vapor Cool Cough Drops, the Dove. Y'all, I absolutely love this. I love the pink one. I love all of them. And the Mr. Clean Magic Eraser. Y'all, guess how much I paid for it? And if y'all haven't seen my last video, I'm going to link it in the description box. Go and watch it. But for all of these items, I paid $3.15. Yes, $3.15. As you can see, all of the digital coupons came off. That left me to pay $3.15. So if you like this deal, you can go ahead. Oh, I saved $7. If you like this deal and if you like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. It really helps my channel. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel. Please like this video. Please share this video. And do one more thing for me. Keep watching.